As a small YouTuber, it can be extremely difficult to get 1,000 subscribers when you're first starting out. The process is long, it can be frustrating, and you may feel like quitting. But there is a shortcut to getting real, authentic subscribers very quickly when you're just starting out. And I'm gonna show you that process today. Stick around, it's Owen Video. Owen Video! Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Owen Video, founder of the Video Marketing School, where you can access tons of pre-recorded trainings that will help you to grow a profitable YouTube channel. We upload a new video every single week, so be sure to subscribe. So what I'm gonna show you today is a technique called a subscriber loop. And this is a pretty advanced technique that I've taught to my clients over the years, and for the first time ever, I'm gonna be showing it to you. And what that is it's literally a process where your channel and your videos are working together to constantly be creating new subscribers every time you upload a new video. There are two parts to this strategy. First, you have to set up each of your videos properly, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. But then there's also this secondary part where you have to set up your channel properly, and I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. So let's get started by looking at first your subscriber statement, okay? You need to have a subscriber statement in every single one of your videos. You've probably heard that on YouTube before.
And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.
Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.
Do not forget to subscribe.
Now, this part might seem extremely basic, but it's actually really important, and most small YouTubers are doing this wrong, okay? So you can't just say, hey, I'm Bob and I have a gaming channel, so you should just subscribe. That's pathetic. What you actually have to do is give them a reason to subscribe by telling them what you do on your channel, how often you publish, and where you want them to click. It also helps to put a visual in your video so the viewer can see exactly what it is that you want them to do. Here's a template for a perfect subscriber statement. Welcome to my channel, where we show YouTube creators how to grow a YouTube channel with a new training each week. So be sure to hit the red subscriber button down below. Didn't that sound pretty? Now, if you didn't get that full text, I left a copy of it in the description box below so that you can copy and paste it and use it anytime you want in all of your future videos. Now that you have your subscriber statement, here's the thing. I need you to make sure that you say it in every single video. The first video that you don't say it on will be the video that gets 10,000 views and nobody subscribes because you did not properly ask them to subscribe, okay? So just do it. Just do it! Okay, now that you have your subscriber statement in place, what I want to do is go one step farther and show you a strategy that you have never heard anywhere else before. I'm going to show you how to properly publish and upload your videos onto the web so that each new video gets you more and more subscribers. It's called your subscriber link. And your subscriber link is a custom URL that when the viewer clicks it, it asks them if they want to subscribe to your channel. The viewer can click yes, and it will subscribe them to the channel and take them to the channel page. If the viewer clicks no, it will not subscribe them, but they will still land on your YouTube channel page. And if someone who is already subscribed to you clicks your subscriber link, they won't even see the pop-up, it will just go directly to the channel page. Now, I'm gonna show you how this all works together, but the first thing I need to do is show you how to create your YouTube subscriber link. So the first thing I want you to do is go to your YouTube channel. Make sure that you're on the home tab here so that your URL looks something like this. Leave that window open because we're gonna come back to it. The next thing I want you to do is copy this snippet of code. This little code snippet right here does all the heavy lifting for you. And when you put this snippet on the end of your channel link that I just showed you how to get, it creates your unique YouTube subscriber link. You can get this copy of code in the description box of this video right now. Once you do that, go to your channel page that you already have open and paste that code into the address bar. Pay very close attention to the question mark, okay? The question mark is actually like the dividing line. So make sure that it's your channel code, a question mark, and then this snippet of code that says sub_confirmation equals 1. Once you've got that code correctly in the address bar, then copy the entire URL and save it somewhere safe. This is your YouTube subscriber link. This subscriber link is everything because when you share a video or when you promote your channel from now on, you are going to be asking people to subscribe. You're no longer gonna send them to each individual video, okay? You gotta hear me on this. You don't wanna be sending your viewers, especially when you're small, to an individual video. You wanna be asking them to subscribe to your channel, and then the side effect of that is they get to watch your video. I want you to click back onto your YouTube channel and click on Customize Channel. Then what I want you to do is edit your About page. Scroll to the bottom, and you'll notice here that you have some links that you can add to your YouTube channel banner. What I suggest that you do is instead of adding a website or instead of adding your social media icons, add your YouTube subscribe link here and click Save. When you do, you'll now see this overlay on your YouTube channel banner that is asking your viewers to subscribe to the channel. You don't need to be building your Instagram page from your YouTube channel. Build your YouTube channel from your YouTube channel. But that's not all. Now I want you to take this link and go over to Instagram. And over where you can add a link in your bio, I want you to add your YouTube subscribe link. So now you can add into your Instagram channel, hey, follow me on YouTube. You can also promote each of your new videos on Instagram by saying, click my link in bio. And when they do, they'll be asked to subscribe to your channel. Whether they say yes or no, they're gonna land on your channel page. You guys see how bomb this is? Put this on all of your social media sites so that you're getting subscribers every time you upload a new video. Now, if you want sort of an additional hack that I would personally recommend, but it's not required, your YouTube subscriber link can look kind of ugly. I mean, look at that. It's disgusting and long like a serpent on a bad hair day. But look, you can actually go to namecheap.com, buy a custom domain name like owenvideo.com and create a redirect so that whenever anyone goes to owenvideo.com, it redirects to your YouTube channel subscribe link. I mean, it works kind of, you don't have to do that. It works kind of basically the same way, but it certainly gives your YouTube subscriber link a prettier look to it. Now, there's just one more step to this process because when the viewer clicks on your subscriber link, they'll actually go to your channel page and not the individual video page. So think about that from a viewer perspective. You say, hey, go see my video on XYZ, and they click it and they don't go to your video on XYZ, it goes to your channel page. It can cause a little bit of confusion, and they might even be kind of upset, like, oh, you're trying to, like, you know, throw a fast curved ball or something. Nailed it. The point is, I want to show you how to arrange your YouTube channel page so that no matter what video you're promoting and no matter who clicks it when, they will always see your most recent video. And to do that, I need you to go back to your YouTube channel page. And I want you to notice a couple different things here. Notice that I'm not subscribed to this channel. And look at what I see here. I see this premiere video, sort of this marquee video right here that the channel wants me to see. This is called your channel trailer. A channel trailer is a featured video that non-subscribers to your channel can see. It's designed for you to create a video that helps get your viewers to subscribe, but we're gonna use it in a slightly different way. Let's go back to the screen share, okay? So now I'm gonna subscribe to the channel and notice what happens. The channel changes and I see a different video over here in this marquee section here. This is called a featured video. A featured video is a main video that you set up that your subscribers see next, okay? So your channel trailer and your featured video are kind of the same, but only your subscribers will see your featured video and your non-subscribers will see your channel trailer. Does that make sense? It won't matter. Let's go back to the screen share. Go back to your channel and click Customize Channel. You'll notice that my channel changes a little bit and I've got these two tabs here, 4 returning subscribers and 4 new visitors. You're gonna go to the 4 returning subscribers and then hover over to the edit icon here, where now you're able to edit this video by selecting any number of additional videos. You're gonna select your most recent video here. And then you'll click Save. Now you're gonna hover over to 4 new visitors. You're gonna click on the edit icon. You're gonna click Change Trailer. And you're gonna pick your most recent video and click Save. And you're gonna do this from now on. So every time you upload a new video, make sure to change the channel trailer and the featured video so that when you share your subscriber link URL, the viewer can either subscribe or not subscribe to the channel. Immediately after that, they will see the most recent video that you're promoting on social media. And here's the thing, even if they don't subscribe from the subscriber link, inside the individual video, you have a perfect subscriber statement so that you have a better chance of converting them inside the individual video. That, my friends, is called a subscriber loop. And it actually works. Take a look at my client, Sebastian Rusk. He's been building a channel for a very long time, but could not bust that 1,000 subscriber mark until he started using my strategy. Take a look at my client, Karen, who came to me with 2.6 thousand subscribers and is now well over 6,000 subscribers. This technique actually works if you actually use it. Now, if you want to learn more about how to grow a successful channel and really get good results, even if you're a brand new YouTuber, then I want you to watch this video next, where I'll go into a different strategy that will help you to grow your channel. Stick around, binge watch a while. You're going to learn a ton here. I'm Owen Video, and I'll see you in the next video.